Presenting a pre-owned 2005 BMW X3 2.5i. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 2-liter i6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 155,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power steering, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.